museum friends. Guess what? For today's Woodland adventure, we're going to be a little silly. We are going to do one of Miss Donna's favorite camp songs. And some of you might have done it with me before if you were in museum steamers, or if you were at the museum for a field trip and your bus was late coming to pick you up and we were trying to kill a little time. But for some of you, this is probably going to be a new song. So the way it works is I start off really slow, so you'll be able to start picking up the words and the actions real easy. And then the challenge is each time we sing it, we get a little faster. And we're going to see if any of you can keep up with Miss Donna. Because remember, I've been doing this for a long time. I did change the words a little bit from the version I usually sing to make it fit with our Woodland adventure. So we'll see how that goes, if Miss Donna remembers to keep doing it with the new words or not. All right, is everybody ready? I'm gonna step back a little so that you can see all my actions, okay? All right, everybody ready? Way out in the woodlands where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And that's how the washy woman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. And that's how the washy woman washes her clothes. All right, everybody got it? You ready to do it with me? We'll still go a little slow in the beginning. All right. Way out in the woodlands where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And that's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. And that's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. A little faster. Way out in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. And that's how the washy woman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. And that's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Way out in the woodlands where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. That's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. And that's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Way out in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. That's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. That's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Way out in the woodlands where nobody goes, there's a wishy-washy washerwoman washing her clothes. She goes, ooh, ah, ooh, ah. That's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo, waddle-ya, cha, Gucci, Gucci, goo. That's how the washerwoman washes her clothes. Whew. Did you keep up with Miss Donna? Did you catch? I think I messed up 1 point with the words. We'll see if anybody caught that. All right, well, thank you for joining me for today's fun exercise